Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in this video, I am going to review Estee Lauder Double Wear Smooth and Blur Primer and Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. So these are the two products I have already applied over here and I really love how this turned out. If you are interested to watch this review, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram. ID is just chill with Pam. All the links I'll be sharing in my description box below and in my LTK shop. You can follow me there for more links and more products from other videos as well. So let's get started. I have received these two products from Estee Lauder, that is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Smooth and Blur Primer and Estee Lauder Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup, and I have in the shade 3N1 Ivory Beige. So let's start with the primer. It is mentioned behind here, apply desired amount over a moisturized skin. Wear alone or underneath makeup for extra blurring. So I am just moisturizing my skin first. I have Bobbi Brown. This is vitamin enriched face base. On top of this moisturizer, I'm using the primer, and it comes in this kind of tube packaging, and this is for $45. You get 40 ml of product. So okay, it just looks like a cream. It's not in gel texture, it's like a cream. So I think I need more. This much I'm just taking. It's quite thick, like medium, and it's not tinted and there's no scent. So it's not tinted, no fragrance, and you saw the packaging was like a tube packaging, and texture is like a cream, not a gel. So I've applied the primer everywhere and definitely made my skin so smooth, just given that canvas to paint my face. Like, it's perfect to apply a foundation, and I'm sure the foundation will go very smoothly over this. So let's apply. Next step, I'm applying the Double Wear foundation, and I told you the shade is 3N1 Ivory Beige. So I hope this matches to my skin tone. Okay, it comes this kind of packaging, just like pour bottle. There is no pump. Selling the pump separately for $13 separately if you want a pump. So I have not purchased any pump, so I just have this. So I'm just using it directly. So okay, as you can see, it's coming out, and it's not very runny and it's not quite thick. It comes out, but I don't know why they kept it separately pump. So that's how it looks. So I'm just applying. I don't know if I took too much. That's how it happens if you take too much. I just put it back because it's only me who's using this foundation, so I don't mind. So let's apply. I love applying foundation with fingers, but for now, for this video, I'm using my brush. Yesterday I did a patch test over here, and this definitely smells like a nail polish, but when I applied on my face, there is no fragrance at all. So it is fragrance free. So the texture is quite runny, but after you apply it is like a matte finish. And I don't think so this shade is perfect match, but let's see. maybe after doing maybe after applying blush, highlighter, and eye makeup and all, it just goes well and put together. So I do see it blends really well and it looks nice. You can see it's oh my god, my skin is looking so smooth. Using a beauty blender so that there is no streaks of the brush, and it just gives that matte and powdery finish. And it's not at all sticky at all. It's just giving that smooth powdery finish, as if I've set my I don't need to even set my face with a setting powder. It's that perfect. So it's very lightweight and I'm feeling so comfortable. It does not make my face anywhere cakey. So I really love how this look. There is no cakiness. It is not matte, and it is also mentioned on their website it's gluten free and it's long wear. It stays up to 24 hours. So I don't know if I'll be testing for 24 hours, but if in case I will definitely share a short footage somewhere on the screen. So this is medium coverage, medium to buildable, so you can apply a second layer if you want to a full coverage, but I like this medium coverage. And it does not clog pores. It's oil controlling, oil free, and obviously it's fragrance free. There is no fragrance, but if you smell the packaging, it smells like a nail polish. But yes, that's how it looks. I really love that how it looks, as if I've done I've applied the setting powder, but there is nothing on my face, just the foundation. I'll just do the rest of my makeup. So it looks so flawless. I really love how this look, and I don't see it I don't know, but after applying blush and eye makeup and all that, it looks completely put together and doesn't even look that the shade is not matching to my skin tone. I really love how Estee Lauder Double Wear this shade, the foundation looks on me. Perfect, isn't it? I really love how smooth my skin looks along after using the primer. So please check out all the details in my description box below, or you can check in my LTK shop. I will be sharing linking all the products there. I hope you guys like this review. If you do, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Share this video to all your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is Just Chill with Pam. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. Stay blessed, stay happy.